Welcome, namaste, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. Hell yeah guys, finally I have Saints Row in my hands. I am so hyped up and feeling so excited about this. After 7 years I'm gonna play Saints Row series again. It's one of my favorite open world games as well guys. As you can see, I got it for a PS5. This is a standard edition. Here you can see the PlayStation seal as well. Alright, so let's get quickly into our unboxing. Let me get my unboxing knife. There you go. Let's look at the cover art first. Here we have our protagonist and it's really cool. And in the back we have MRP and some description. 50 GB. It has online multiplayer as well guys, Blu-ray, blah 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 and stuff, and some cool quotes from the game, as you can see. Okay, now let's unwrap this. Hope I got it right. Yeah. There you go guys. Let's keep this knife aside. Let's open it. Sorry I can't show you this guys. There we go. This is the disc. Let me take it out as well. Shiny as new guys. Let's put it back. There you go. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon in the next video, which will be gameplay. I'll be doing live stream. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. You all know that's the secret to long life.